Alright guys, so in this lecture let's see how can we create user stories in Jira. Okay, so before we look into this user stories, at the same time we should also know how to create epics. Okay, because both these epics and user stories are linked to each other. So first let me start with creating an epic. Okay, and then I will go and create user story and tie this story to this epic. So when you are in your dashboard in your project, on the left side you see that you have something called epics. So here it says use epics to plan features. That's what I told you, right? Login is one feature which we are interested to do right now. Later you can develop that dashboard and profile page. Okay, so click on epics, and here right now there are no epics, so you have a link here to create an epic. So go here and select this, and you will have one window opened in Jira where you can provide all the details related to that epic and create it. Okay, let me refresh it. I think it's logged out. Let's log in back. So create epic. Yeah, so this is the project, right, under which we are creating the epic. So if you have any different project, then you can go and select that project from here. And issue type. So basically in Jira everything is categorized under issue. If you want to create user story, it's one of the issue. Okay, the type of that issue is a story. If you want to create a bug, defect, again type of the issue which you need to select is a bug. Ultimately everything goes under this issue type. Here our issue type this time is an epic. So what is your epic name? Nothing but a feature name, what you want to develop. First we have to, we can say implement login module, and you can give summary about it. This epic should complete login screen with all use case. Okay, something like that, and create. So you have one epic created. So this is how you do it. And now let's go and create stories for that epic. So first here I'm going to explain how to create user story, right? And then let's think about how many stories we can write for this login module epic. Okay, so to make this epic success, we have to come with so many user stories, right? Set of user stories on that screen. So where is our screen? Yeah, this is our screen. So let me create a user story to enter username, password, and the start in drop down. For these three components, let's have one user story to create, so that developer creates it and tester test it. Once they are successfully present, then that user story will be closed. We will do all that in a flow. First we are in a place where we should be able to create user story in Jira. So how to create it? So again, you can actually select this global create button, and issue type, this time let's select story, and edit box implement creation in login page. So this will create those three edit boxes. Okay, so reporter, basically to whom you are reporting, and then you can provide description about this user story. So currently I am not talking about this description because there is way to write this description. It's not just that you write whatever you want. There is some process in Agile to give the description for the user story. Okay, so before I talk that, first let's create this user story, and then we will open it again and start writing the description for it. Okay, so we already spoke that as a person I want to do something so that I will achieve something. We have to write your description in that way for story. Okay, I'll come to this again. And priority, how much priority it is that highest priority for you to work on this user story, or this lowest priority, or medium? Okay, and labels, basically you can add some labels to it, like if you want to automate this story, you can have automation tag label, so that everyone knows that this story have an automation script, something like that. Assignee, to whom you are assigning. So basically every story has to be owned by someone who is working on it to develop that functionality, right? So if you are the person, you can say assign to me. If you have any other people in your team, you have to start typing their names so that their name will come up in this box and you can assign it to them, right? Next, epic link. So to what epic you are going to link this user story? Basically we are working on login edit boxes, right? So obviously we have to link this to our feature epic, which is login functionality. We already created it. So open this drop down and you see that all epics we have here, and this is the epic which we actually created. Implement login module. Select this epic so that we have successfully linked the story to that epic. And which sprint currently this story is going on. Okay, we still did not talk about sprint and how does that work. We are still in the basics of exploring this agile terms. So for now you can leave this blank, and I'll come again to talk what is this, because this is most important, and we will come back again to discuss this. Alright, so with the details what we have for now, let's click on create. So it creates one user story and put it in your backlog item. Okay, so backlog in the sense stories which are yet to pick and work on it. All the stories which are yet to develop will go under the backlog. So this is how you can create story, and this is your epic. You can close this if you don't require, and if you want you can click on this back and see what are the stories tied to this epic. If you click on this issue, you will, okay, I don't think they have given functionality to select this issues. Okay, so you can see that there is one story tied to this epic, which is this one, edit boxes creation. All right, so that's how you can create one user story, one epic in Jira, and you can link like this. Okay, so now in the next lecture I'll also talk about what are components in Jira and even in the agile terms, and how to create that component, and also what are release versions and how to create them in Jira. So once we get all this information, then I'll go and write description for this user story in the standards, agile standards. Okay, and then we'll see the next topics. Okay, I'm just follow me in the sequence. By end of this entire section, you will have the knowledge on everything regarding agile and Jira. Okay, yeah, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.